Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will see how to create category and courses for your Moodle site. To create category and courses, click on Site Administration tab on left column. Now, click on Courses tab to open various options which we need to create courses. Now click on very first option, Manage Courses and Categories. You will be redirected to Course and Category Management. Note that there is already a default category named as Miscellaneous. Categories are just like folders where your courses will be stored. By using categories, all courses will be stored in organized manner. If we don't create new category, all courses will be saved in Miscellaneous. To create new category, click on Create New Category tab. Now, click on drop-down menu to select Parent Category. If we select Miscellaneous option, the new category we are creating will become Subcategory under Miscellaneous category. And if we select Top option from drop-down, the new category we are creating will become the Main category. As we are creating Main Parent category, so we will select Top option from drop-down. Now write category name and category ID number. Note that content box with red symbol means that it is required field. Content box with no red symbol can be left blank without filling any information. By left click on blue circle will give more information about particular content box. Type description of category in description box. Now you will see that new category is created on left side of content column. To delete a category, click on gear icon from action menu of particular category. Then, select delete option. Now let us see how to create new course. Note that header on right side of content column will indicate the selected category. And all created courses under this category will be shown below. To create a course, click on Create New Course tab on right side of content column. Now type course full name and course short name. Then click on Course Category drop-down menu and select the category under which this course will be shown. Now set course start date and course end dates. You can enable or disable course end date. Then type course summary. This information will be visible on site home. Then you can set course image for your course by uploading image from your PC. Now select course format from drop-down menu. The course format determines the layout of course. If your course structure is designed into topic sections, then select topic format. And if your course structure is designed into weekly sections, then select weekly format. For creating course, we will select topic format. Now select number of section as per your course. These sections will act as topic. Keep others fields as it is without any change and click Save and Return tab. As you can see, that new course is created. Header will indicate that, under which category, the course is created. Let's create another course for practice by same method. Now you can see two courses created under same category. By using arrow button, you can drag and drop courses to change its sorting. Course can be re-edited by clicking gear icon on action menu. You can delete or hide course or change sequence of course by using options in action menu. Now let's see how to create subcategory. Click on Create New Category. Now in Parent Category, select category under which you want to create subcategory. Note that if you select Top from drop-down menu, the category will become Main Parent Category, so to create subcategory, selected parent category should be other than Top. Now type other required information and click Create Category button. As you can see, new subcategory is created under Main Parent Category. As you can see that, right now, no courses are visible on right side of column. That's because we are another subcategory. And courses we created are in main category. At last, let's see how to move courses from one category to another. To move courses, click on checkbox of courses you want to move. Then scroll below and select the category where you want to move courses and click Move. You can see that courses are moved to new category. To see newly created courses, click on Site Home tab on left navigation column.